What's going on, y'all? This is Rashad from RashadBeats.com. Welcome back to another BeatNerd101 tutorial. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a piano melody in FL Studio. So, if you've seen any of my other melody videos on FL Studio, then you know I'm really just making like a simple loop that you can follow. Usually something that's easy and, you know, catchy. And, you know, to understand the rhythm of melodies, you just got to see how they're created. So right now I got this soft piano from Labs, and it's a nice, one of my favorite pianos, by the way. It's really nice, got like this very cafe sounding, like really cafe sounding sound. It sounds like you're in a cafe. So no more talking, let's go ahead and jump into it. I'm gonna go ahead and start laying down some keys, and as I go, I'm gonna break them down. Starting with this first, so I'm gonna go ahead and open up piano roll. So what's that? That is C sharp, E, G sharp. And we're just going to keep building it as we go. I'm going to find another chord. So the next chord will be G sharp, B, D sharp. Now we got two chord progressions. Let's continue to bring it to the 5. Well, we already have it to the 5 actually, so we're gonna bring it all the way to the 9, and that will be a complete melody. So let's go. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now this one's a trickier one, but I'm gonna break it down. So it's A, C sharp, E, G sharp. So as you can see, I'm just breaking it down piece by piece. And then we can get a little funky towards the end. So this would be F sharp, A, C sharp, E. F sharp, A, C sharp, E. Fix that latency. One more time. As you can see, I messed up, hit another key. Don't be afraid to mess up. Just keep practicing. And we gotta get one more progression to finish it up. That's a better, way better progression. So this last progression for this piano melody will be, hold on, what is that I'm hitting? That is, hold on, I want you guys to see it. guys to see it. Let me see. Oh, I ain't gonna do that. So that'll be, what's that? That is D sharp, G sharp, C, D sharp, F sharp. And that'll be our last progression. So let's add that. And then boom, now we got a complete piano melody loop. So let's hear it. I'm gonna complete it. Perfect. Let's drop that into one so we can hear it all the way through. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And we can loop it as much as we want. 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. And that's basically it. I'm gonna let it play one more time and then I'll wrap this up. And that, my friends, is how you make a piano melody in FL Studio in 2022. Thank you guys for rocking with BeatNerd101. We will continue to keep bringing out more tutorials. I have not forgot about you guys. I finally found a good way to actually play the piano and record at the same time and talk to you guys. So I'm so excited. Shout out to OBS. I love OBS. But like I said, we'll be back with more tutorials, so stay tuned for BeatNerd101. And if you haven't got your hands on the BeatNerd101 course, what are you doing? We got a full tutorial video course that's packaged up into a zip folder full of videos just like this one, that show you how to make beats step by step in FL Studio. You can check out the link to go ahead and see if you want to get your hands on that course, and be on the lookout for more tutorials on our YouTube and more products coming up. So thank you guys for tuning in. Rashad Beats out. Peace.